Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I am Nanny Joanne and we have here Haley. We have Haley. So in today's video, it's going to be a semi-educational video where I will be showing certain tricks for your times table that I learned as a young girl that definitely helped me out. So Haley is going into
third grade.
Third grade. And in third grade, at least over here where we are from, they learn fractions, division, multiplication. So it's totally different from what she's accustomed to.
Is division hard?
It depends
on what level it is too.
Yeah, but they'll teach you that in school.
Hopefully.
So stay tuned and hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you've learned any of these tricks and if you plan on sharing them. All right, so for this video, we don't need anything except for our fingers. So I have a trick for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3s, the 5s, and the 9s, and the 10s. So that basically just leaves the 4s, the 6s, the 7s, and the 8s. So we're off to a good start. So Haley, we're gonna start off with the zeros. So there is a rule for the zeros, rule of thumb. What is the rule of thumb for the 0 times tables?
The what?
The 0 times tables. What's the rule? Anything times 0 is
0.
All right. So for example, 0 times 5.
0.
0 times 2.
0.
0 times 0.
0.
0 times 7.
0.
0 times 9.
0.
You get the picture. Anything times 0 is 0. Now, if we reverse that and I tell you 7 times 0,
0.
It's still 0. So 0 times 7, 0. 7 times 0.
0 times 1,000 is 0. Legit 0.
And 1,000 times 0 is?
0.
So anything that is times by 0 is 0. All right. Now, what's the rule of thumb for the 1 times table? Anything times 1 is?
That's number.
So give us an example.
So like 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 10 is 10. Basically that.
All right, so moving on to the 2 times table.
Easy!
Easy?
Yeah.
How do you do the 2 times tables?
The 2 times tables is counting by 2s. That's a trick.
That is a trick. So if you know how to count to 2s, you're on the right path. So for example, Haley, can you count by 2s to 10?
Can I use my fingers?
Sure.
So 2 times 10.
No, just count to 2s to 10. So 2, 4, like that.
Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
20. All right. Great job. So here's an example of a 2 times table trick. She needs water.
Yeah, because my throat's not feeling that good today. Don't have COVID-19. Next.
All right, moving along. So 2 times 3 is?
2, 4, 6, 6.
Yeah. All right. 2 times 5.
2 times 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Great. 2 times 0.
2 times... 2. 2.
Anything times 0 is?
0.
2 times 2?
2 times 2. That's easy. 2, 4.
Great. 2 times 1?
Easy. 2.
And 2 times 0 again?
0.
Great. So it's all about repetition. Obviously, we're not perfect. She doesn't get them all right. But if we keep practicing it, it'll become second nature to her.
Okay. This always happened to me.
All right. Moving on to our 3.
Oh, my favorite! My favorite!
It's clearly her favorite times tables.
If you are asking, if you want to learn the 3s, I am a pro at it.
Tell them your 3 times tables rules.
Okay, so there's a trick for the 3 times tables. Why am I so excited? So you see these things here? These like little lines between your fingers. Those can help you.
I'm showing them. Go ahead.
Those can help you count with the 3s. I'm not comfortable with that, please.
So those can help you count with the 3s.
Yeah.
All right, so let's show an example. So for example, 3 times 3. So you do that and I'll do it over here. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
So the answer is 3 times 3 is 9.
Basically 9.
All right, let's do 4. 3 times 4.
Huh?
3 times 4.
3 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So 3 times 4 is 12. Now, if we were to do 3 times 1, we put 1 finger up and we only count our 3 spaces. So 3 times 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So where our fingers bend, we have lines. So you would count those 3 for the 3 times table.
We have like those cut lines.
Yeah.
If you're a teacher, this would be perfect. You could legit show this video to your class, and your class will be like, "Okay, teach."
So don't forget to like this video because these are some awesome tricks that you can use, and you can use them at home, anywhere,
We're
and
done.
without having a calculator.
We're done.
No, because we still have the 5 times tables trick.
Okay.
So what's the trick for the 5 times tables?
5 times tables. So the tricks for 5 times tables is really sick. You could count by 5s and using them with the timetables, right?
So demonstrate how you could count by 5s.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Great. So now that we know how to count by 5s, 5 times 4 is?
5 times 4, 5, 10, 15, 20.
Great. 5 times 5 is?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
5 times 10. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 5 times 10 is 50. And for our last trick, we have the
9s is easy.
So Haley, do 9 times 5.
9 times 5?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P. 45.
All right. So another example. 9 times 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 54.
54. 9 times 9.
9 times 9 is...
Yeah. 81. So you see how she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This divider and 1. So you have 81. Do 9 times 2. So you see, you have 1 divider and then you have 8. So you have 18. So for the 9 times table, it gets a little complicated, but all it takes is some practice. So the last trick is for the 10 times tables. So Haley, do you know how to count by 10s?
Yep.
Let's hear it.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Great. Can you at home count by 10s? I hope so. All right, so for the 10 times tables, it's the same thing. 10 times 5, you count to 5 using your 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The answer is 50. 10 times 0?
0.
10 times 1?
10.
Great. 10 times 3?
30.
10 times 10?
100.
10 times 9?
90.
Pretty simple stuff. Pretty simple stuff?
Yep.
but it just takes a little bit of
Practice.
practice. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, save the video, and as always, subscribe. We'll catch you guys all next time on more nanny tips and tricks from yours truly, Nanny Joanne, and my special assistant, Haley Roman. She just woke up. She's a little tired, hence the bed hair. All right, peace.